Myth versus fact time. Arugula, aka rocket, isn't just fancy salad fluff. It's a peppery little leaf with real benefits. Myth: it's just water with vibes. Fact: arugula is loaded with vitamins A, K, folate, potassium, calcium, plant nitrates that support healthy blood pressure and better blood flow. Those nitrates can even boost exercise performance. Myth: greens are harsh on digestion. Fact: arugula is one of the gentler cruciferous veggies. It has compounds like glucosinolates and isothiocyanates that support natural detox pathways and may help calm inflammation. And compared to spinach, it's typically lower in oxalates, so it's often friendlier for people who watch kidney stones. Benefits you'll actually notice: light, steady energy, folate and minerals help, skin and eye support from beta-carotene, bone health from vitamin K and calcium, heart health from potassium and those nitrates. If I store it in a glass bottle, will arugula fuse with water? Short answer: it won't fuse. If you dunk leaves in water, you'll get a light, peppery infusion, nice to sip, but not a vitamin bomb. Most nutrients stay in the leaves. For more benefit, eat the arugula or blend it into a smoothie. Is it healthy to drink? If by drink you mean arugula water, sure, it's fine, just mild. If you mean juice, that delivers some vitamins and nitrates but loses fiber. A smoothie is the sweet spot. You keep fiber for gut health and still get the goodies. Should I blend arugula for optimal nutrient consumption? Blending can help. It breaks cell walls, making some antioxidants and carotenoids more available. Tip: pair arugula with a little healthy fat, avocado, olive oil, chia, so you absorb those fat-soluble nutrients. Add vitamin C, lemon, orange, kiwi to help with iron uptake. Don't overblend for minutes. 20-30 seconds is enough so it doesn't heat up. Quick ways I use it: toss with lemon olive oil and a pinch of salt. Blend with pineapple, banana, lemon, and water for a bright smoothie. Layer on eggs, pizza, or bowls for that peppery kick. Storage: keep it dry, sealed, and cold. Rinse, spin dry, line a container with paper towel, and refrigerate. Use within 3 to 5 days for peak crunch. Bottom line: arugula is a tiny leaf with big benefits. Eat it, blend it, or lightly infuse it. Just don't expect magic from arugula water alone.